Nick's mystery boxes, almost as popular as this channel itself. Every now and again he sends me a package containing some kits. I don't know what they are. All I tell him is I will build them for this channel no matter what you send me. He sent me another package. There are 4 of them. Find out what they are right here on Gary Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, indeed, I am opening the latest consignment of kits from my mate Nick. He sends me stuff. I don't know what they're going to be. He knows my taste in things. He tries to send me weird stuff as well. And I just let him know that whatever he sends, I will build for this channel. It has turned up some absolutely remarkable things. From the beautiful Arado E555 to the frankly bonkers Zerby Air Sedan. He sent them, I built them. That's a tradition that's going to continue. So at Telford, he gave me a package. There are 4 in there. 3 of them came with quite cryptic titles. And I've put those onto Monday Matters and I've put them onto Facebook. Today, I'm going to open those boxes. If you like the show, and I hope you do, please remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. And of course, if you would like to support the channel in a bit more of a concrete way, you can do that through Super Thanks, by becoming a channel member, or by using any of my online partner programs. So let's make a start and see what Nick has sent this time in his mystery box. So here's the first bag. Now remember, this isn't one of the 3. This is just an extra bag that Nick didn't have time to wrap up. So let's have a look and see what's in here. I've no idea. I honestly have no idea. I purposely don't look inside these until I get online, and then it is an Eon Eaton TX1, a glider. How lovely. I'm very slightly younger than the age where I would have flown in one of these. I did fly gliders when I was young. I flew the Slingsby Sedberg, and what was the other one? The T8, something like that. And then I went on to fly other things as well. But this was just before the Sedberg. You can see the catapult launch here, which is literally a bungee. So yeah, I'm a little bit younger than this. But what a beautiful plane. And look at all that lovely rigging. I'm going to fully rig this because I've got some Ushi cable that will do all of these in little bits and pieces. I'm intrigued by them and I'm challenged by them, if you know what I mean. So, different camouflage schemes. 2 RAF schemes, I presume. A Belgian scheme, very nice. Not sure who that's from, and I'm not sure who that's from. They normally say at the front. Sweden and French. So I would guess Swedish and French. Tempted by the Belgian scheme, I must admit. I'm very tempted by that, although I'll decide later. Maybe you guys can decide, I don't know. We'll have a think about that. That's going to be an interesting thing to look at. An interesting thing to build. I am fascinated by it, and as I say, this could be a really good thing to practice doing rigging on. Now I've said it, I'm going to have to do it, aren't I? 48th scale as well, which is nice. So, the first of the named ones. Round and round we go. And look, there's nothing. This is all still original, packaged up. I'm not kidding you on this. This is all done. This is just to keep the, get it all tucked in. I can't get into it. I don't want you thinking that I actually know what's in here, because I don't. And yeah, you can see I still don't know what's in here. So I'll be very gentle with this knife because I don't want to damage the contents of the box inside. Okay, right, so this has to come undone now. As you can see, oh, and it's a white box. But what is on the other side of the white box? Are we ready? Oh man, Lee Richards annular monoplane. I have so wanted to get one of these. Nick, you absolute beauty. Look at it. Look at the fun of the. I'm blow a box opening. I'm opening the damn thing now. Look at this wing. I mean, this is. It flew. Look at that wing. Isn't it beautiful? 48 scale as well. This will sit very nicely next to the Zerbier sedan and the Fanera B as bonkers planes in history. Mate, I am so pleased with that. I cannot begin to tell you how pleased I am with that kit. Thank you so very, very much. That's going to be a beauty. A bit more rigging on that as well. Now I'm getting into this rigging lark. Some planes just deserve it, frankly. This is going to be hilariously fun to build. Mate, superb. Absolutely superb. Right. 3 wheels on my wagon. Again, neither. You can see he packages them. I can't even sort of like, it's like Christmas. I can't see through the packaging. It's so much fun. You know, it's not just that I get to make some really cool kits out of all this. It's actually a lot of fun. It is actually genuinely like Christmas Day when I was young, opening up all sorts of presents I didn't know that I had asked Santa for. Obviously, Santa knew. Santa knows everything. Be good to Santa, people. Anyway, 3 wheels on my wagon. Whoa, look at this. Mini art. Oh my goodness. That is going to be, again, absolutely hilarious. I love mini art. I love little things like this. And it's, I mean, look how beautiful it is. Look how sweet it is. And there's a little, that means there's photo etch. There's photo etch in there. Decals for 4 options. Seriously? Yes, 4 different options. They use them for flak units. They use them for delivering weapons, shells or something. I like this spray stuff. If it's for a flak unit, you can get 1/35 scale boxes with start 88mm in. 88mm. Oh, look at that engine. That's going to be fun. I've got some engine stuff and grime and things like that, which would be great for that. What a lovely little thing. Oh, for experienced modelers, we spell length incorrectly. I suppose it's like if you are experienced, you want to put these are brake lines, aren't they? The hydraulic lines for the brakes. 43. That's either 43 and 25 or 43.25, which I suspect is only one. 43.25 millimeters, and that one's 48.7 millimeters. How intriguing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but I will see. I think I've got some 0.3 brass wire, actually. That could be quite good. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. That is going to be an absolute little gem to build. I'm really getting into vehicles at the moment. I don't know why, but I am. Which leaves, what if this is a NIK's mystery box? What if indeed it is? See, what if makes me think it's one of those what if models, and I love them. As well as weird stuff, I love what if. What if they had made this? What if this had flown? And it is one of those. It is. The Horton Gotha 220. Yes. Look at that little beauty. Horton Brothers were geniuses, absolute geniuses, and this will make a nice looking kit. 1/72, it will sit nicely next to my flying wing, my Arado flying wing. Sorry, I've got to have a look at it. It's like unboxing things on Christmas. I got the, yeah, look at the size of it. It's beautiful. So it's going to be about that wide next to my flying wing bomber. Fantastic. That'll make a nice. Do you know what? I am so tempted. What schemes does it come in? I am so tempted. Yep, straightforward underside with a splinter top. Yeah, I'm tempted to do this as a captured aircraft, you know. You know, like I did the flying wing in RAF colours, I'm going to do this one in RAF colours with a yellow underside. And I don't know where the P symbols are going to. I guess the P symbols sit on the engine covers like they do for the squadron markings there. That's decided. This is going to be a captured Gotha Horton 229. Fantastic. Nick, it is a what if of delight. Thank you so very, very, very much. So, there we go. Some absolute delights to look forward to. A flying wing, a three-wheeler truck, and a bonkers annular monoplane, and a lovely glider. Nick, thank you, mate. These are going to be such good fun to build. Look out for all of them on the channel before too long. There we go. For absolutely intriguing kits. I love them to pieces. I am looking forward so very much to building them. Even the three-wheel little delivery van thing with the looks like a cargo tuk-tuk, really. I'm looking forward to doing that, and I'm going to have a go at doing all the bits where it says experienced modelers only. Not that I'm that experienced, but I think it's worth a try. Someone's taken the trouble to send them to me. I'll give it a bash. Anyway, if you want to see when all of these pop up, best thing to do is to make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. And of course, if you like anything you see on my channel, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you, Nick, for this amazing collection of toys. See you very soon, all of you on the channel. Take very good care of yourselves now, and goodbye.